Damn. I have never killed a car from being upside down. Dude. This is insane. Oh, damn. Bro, this just happened and I pulled up to work. Oh my, I'm shaking. See this right here? First responders. Absolutely. Got the lady out of the car, turned off the engine while it was upside down, put up cones, gave everyone water, and the ambulance hasn't arrived. So who's the real first responders? Plus, we were like on scene as it happened. Like we were already here in our job site. So you tell me, maybe I should get a pay increase. But everybody's good. Everybody's very small injuries, if any.